Yeah, so welcome to my YouTube channel. Yeah, so no time to waste. My name still remain the same. I'm Ken Rhymes, a co-founder of Randall Technology Company. Yeah, you can call me Mr. Hyde. I'm okay with it. Yeah. So yesterday I made a video about Wode Maya's account being hacked, and a lot of people came at me. Some people were doing some grammar correction over there and things like that. But I don't give a damn. I just do what I do best, and I know a lot of people too like what I did. Yeah. So on today's episode, I want to show you how you can prevent your YouTube from being hacked, like Wode Maya's own. Yeah. So we have some type of scammers or hackers that target only YouTubers. Yeah, they'll come like as if they want you to advertise their products for them, so they can Gmail you or they can WhatsApp you. Yeah, so their WhatsApp are like this. Like they'll chat to you and they'll be like, I want you to do some advice for my products. Then they'll send you a link that you should log in to read much about their product, so that you can know much when you are doing the content about their product. So when you click on that links, then automatically they will get access to your Gmail and your password. Yeah. And secondly, some people also did the two verification, the Gmail, you'll be doing some Gmail verification. Yeah, some people will be doing it with a particular number. So when they lose that number, it will be very difficult for them to get alert when someone tries to log into their accounts. Yeah. So one is this. I want you to do something. They'll chat to you and they'll be like, my name is Felix. I'm contacting you from Nexus ICO marketing and promotion team. We have collaboration plan for you, which will help you to earn more. So they will send you something like this. You see, this is a YouTube account. You know that it's a YouTube account, but it's not a YouTube link. It's not a YouTube link, but it will appear like a YouTube account. So if you click on it, automatically they will get access to your Gmail and phone. It's an hacker's thing. Yeah. So when you click on those links, automatically you are giving them chance for them to steal your information. Yeah. So first of all, if you do your verification, that's Gmail verification, that's 2 times verification thing with a particular phone, and if you misplace or lost that phone or that number, please go to Gmail and do it again with the phone you are using right now, so that when someone tries to log in, Gmail will send you a notice, and if even you will get a notice on your phone when someone tries to log in. Yeah, to prevent hackers from hacking your YouTube account. With my own 1.28, people are saying it's hacked, but I know Wode Maya has a strong team taking care of his YouTube account, and it cannot be hacked like that. But all the same, we are cool, we are good to go. So these are the things that hackers easily takes to claim your information without your notice. Yeah. So please, if you're a YouTuber, make sure that when you're logging in to some site or some website or clicking on some links, don't use your official Gmail on YouTube, please. You should have a second Gmail that you use it for all the dirty works. Your official Gmail should be reserved. Yeah, it should be there. You should protect it. Don't use it to log in to other things. Yeah, because right now we have some apps that you register, they will be like, let me get access to your YouTube, and Gmail will send you some message and you'll be like, let's say TikTok want to get access to your YouTube, do you accept it? And then you say accept it. So automatically you have give your YouTube permission to TikTokers or TikTok company, so they can also give your information to others. I'm not saying they will do it, but I'm just saying for tutorial purpose. Yeah, so you should make sure that when registering you should make sure that when you are logging into a certain links or a certain website, don't use your original YouTube Gmail. You should have a second Gmail for all those kind of things. Yeah, the next to remain the same. I'm Kenneth Rhymes, a co-founder of Randall Technology Company, and out. You can call me Mr. Hyde. I'm cool. I will take it. My agenda is boom.